Elliott Channel. Elliott noted in his discovery that the impulse wave travels in the trending channel, and infrequently it is extremely precise limitation. Thanks to the trending channels, Elliott received the additional tip when it comes to laying out the potential breakpoints of the waves and the future course of the trend. To determine the correct trending channel, we need 3 points. You need to connect waves and precisely the peak of the first wave and the third, and we conduct the parallel lines of the whole of the second wave. In this case, we get a potential band to stop the fourth wave. When there is a case where the fourth wave does not reach the designated trending channel, we should adapt the lines from the whole of the second wave to the whole of wave 4, and use a parallel line to determine the potential target of the next wave, the wave 5. I will lead you now expanded example in which I will describe the scheme of determining the Elliott's channel from the simplest structure to the full cycle. As I mentioned, to mark the trending channel we must have 3 points. You can start conducting the channel from the beginning of the first wave to the whole of the second wave, the parallel line we run from the down of the first wave. Along with the principle of variability, the third wave is elongated and breaks the previous trending channel. In this case, we should lead a new channel that runs from the top of the first wave to the top of the third wave. Parallel line led from the whole of the second wave will set us a potential price range of the wave 4. In the further perspective, we should look for the end of the fifth wave in the vicinity of the upper band of the trending channel. This way we have the basic 5-wave structure sketched in the trending channel. In the further perspective of developing the situation on the market, we should expect creating the wave of a second higher degree. After the formation of the second wave, we see 8 waves, same, which is formed from the 2 waves of the higher degree. On the basis of this situation, we are able to appoint a new trending channel for a higher degree of waves. Similarly, another 5 waves formation is created which should move in the trending channel. On the basis of such a structure, we can determine the channel through which we will be able to speculate where the next fourth wave will end, combining the peak of the wave first and third and settling the parallel lines of the whole on the second wave. It is obvious now that we can expect going down of the fourth wave to the lower band of the trending channel. After completing the fourth wave comes the next 5-wave structure, which forms the wave of a higher degree. This is the fifth wave. Ending of the wave can be expected at the upper bands of the channel, designated by the big trending channel, as well as through the channel defined by a smaller 5-wave structure. In the longer term, we will have to be aware of the sequence of the decreasing waves. The first sequence in this example would be the 5-wave formation that will form waves A. As previously based on the 5-wave structure, we are able to determine that trending channel. In the longer term, we will observe formation of A and B of the structure of the 3 waves. In this case, the peak of the inner wave C can be determined by parallel lines of the whole of the wave 5 into the whole of wave B and the second from the top of wave A. The next sequence of the wave is a standard 5-wave formation which also moves in the trend channel.